Welcome to qnawire.
I want to assign the oxidation state of the metal in the following ligand. We're going to have technetium, dppe, which is diphenylphosphinoethane. We are going to have two of this guy, and unknown ligand, L2, and finally a nitrate, NO3. So in this case, what we know is that the nitrate is going to have a charge of -1, so that means that the overall section of this coordination compound is going to be a cation with charge +1. In this case, diphenylphosphinoethane is a compound which we can know the structure as follows. Where the pH means we're going to have phenyl groups attached to it. So this is going to be a bidentate ligand that is going to have a total charge equal to 0. So in this case, since we don't know what is going to be the charge for the ligand, let's assume that the ligand is going to be neutral. So I'm going to solve the charge for both of the cases. In the case of the ligand is neutral, then technetium should have a charge of +1. In the case that the ligand has a charge of -1 each of them, then we would have -2 over here. So that would mean that the charge of technetium should be +3. So both are two of the possible scenarios. If in a previous question L is given the identity of what ligand it represents or the charge that it has, you can solve for that charge as follows. Let's say that L is going to have a charge equal to X, and the charge for technetium, let's call it N. So the charge N is going to be equal to N plus X needs to be equal to 1, so the charge of technetium should be 1 minus X.